Welcome back. Today we'll explore the advanced level program for managing taste sensitivity in children aged 6 to 8 years. At this stage, we encourage more active involvement with food while keeping mealtimes relaxed and positive. Start by cooking together. Let your child help decorate a sandwich, arrange fruit, spread a soft filling, or add toppings. Preparing food gives them opportunities to touch, smell, and look at different ingredients before being expected to taste them. Next, try a simple taste testing game. Begin with familiar foods and add one less familiar option. Ask your child to smell it, feel the texture, and if they choose, take a tiny taste. You might ask, is it sweet or salty? Or does it feel crunchy or smooth? Keep the game light. Exploring counts, even if they decide not to eat it. Another useful activity is blowing play. Try bubbles, pinwheels, cotton ball races, or blowing watered-down paint across paper with a straw. These playful activities build awareness and control around the mouth while keeping the experience fun. Finally, focus on relaxed family meals. Sit together regularly and keep conversation away from how much your child is eating. Offer 2 or 3 suitable choices and let them serve a small portion themselves where possible. This gives them more ownership without turning food into a battle. Food confidence grows when children can explore, participate, and make choices without pressure. Return to the app to continue your child's personalized program.